Happy Monday, everybody. Social media site coming back with you again with a new opportunity. Anybody can do this. All you got to do is download this form, this postcard, and you good to go. That's all you need to do. Download this form and you good to go. Here's the front side. Like it said there, 25K madness. You get $25 payment in the mailbox like clockwork. How consistent you are putting these postcards in the mailbox. That's simple. Stamp here, your lead here, people addresses here. That's simple. You make $1,000 to $10,000, $25 K every time you stay consistent dropping these mailbox off, postcard off in the mailbox. What is your goal? Everybody has goals, whatnot. And so ask me how for more details. So that's why I'm making this YouTube video for people that's interested of working from home. Simple and cheap. This postcard is colorful. That's why I joined it. And it's cheap to join. Just follow the instruction on what it says here and you good to go. 25K madness, 3-level progressive payout. Earn $25 on each sale. Big cost pay, big payout. Get 10 people, you get $250. You get 10 by 10, that's 100 sales, that's $25. Level 3. Keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that. Keep putting your postcard in the mailbox. This is a new opportunity for anybody that has $25. I know we all have $25 to purchase. It's not hard to do. It is not hard to do. So, ordering 25K Madness is extremely simple. Just 3 steps. Purchase 3 money orders, payable to WTM Publishing for processing and handling. You know the rest for that. That's what I have to do. I have to follow the rules. You get your kit in the mail like I had to get, and I have to put an order in for my actual postcard and the PDF form. I got my PDF file today. I send out an email to WT Publishing, and he got back with me in the next day. They're pretty responsible and fast response on sending out emails. So email is very important to send these type of postcard in on a PDF form. If you don't have your postcard or your kit, I suggest you do PDF file. Send in the email form, send it on social media, all the social media sites, and you good to go. This is so easy to do. $25. Who can't get no $25? Like I said again, nobody don't owe me nothing. We have to sign up for something to generate your income. Work from home business is the place to be. Our job is just part-time status. The jobs industry is not the same no more. World, like I know, like you know, it is not the same no more. So what are we waiting on, and who are we waiting on for to come aboard any marketing program? This is not a scam. I'm a real person promoting this and making a YouTube video. That's simple. Whatever I promote, whatever I get, I start promoting it the best way I can until I get my actual postcard. Yes, 25K madness. 3-level progressive payout. Man, cheap to join this program. And the postcard is powerful. It's colorful. You can see the words. You explain everything to you. So there's no excuses. There's no reason you don't want to contact me if you don't want to. If you need any more information, my email is on this postcard. You can send me an email and I explain everything to you. But you should not have done that, because the postcard will explain everything to you when you download it and send in your postcard in a PDF copy. And you will get the same thing too. And put an order in for your postcard. That simple. It's not hard. It don't take no rocket scientist to do this type of postcard, whatnot, and you go from there. Yeah. So people were crazy enough not to work from home. I'm sorry to say, they're crazy enough not to work from home. It don't make no sense. People look past this home-based business work. They don't have enough funds to come in their household to pay their bills. This is where it's at now. Work from home is the place to be at this time. Comfort on your own home. Watch your favorite show. Create videos. Think about brainstorming. What is your next move? What you want to promote next? What you want to do next? Do you need to get more stamps? Do you get more leads? You just sit around and just brainstorm and spend some money and keep it coming. Keep it coming. That's what your job has to do. Has to promote a open position for somebody to be qualified for that job to be able to come work for that company. It's the same thing working from home. It's not hard. It's not difficult. My son can do this. My daughter can do this. Anyone can put postcard in the mailbox. Stamp and lead. I show you the front again. Stamp and lead. Your leads go here. Your stamp go here. Get a stack of 50 or stack of 100 and drop them off. Your job is done. Yes. Your job is done for the day. Go to your next job that you do at home. Go to your next postcard business or your your flyer business. It's that simple, y'all. It is that simple. It's not hard. Man, it's easy. I'm doing this. I'm making videos. It's that simple. It's so easy to work from home. $25 madness. I know we all have $25. I know we all have $100. What are we scared of to spend $25 or $100 on a simple plan and you can do what I do? That's simple. That's simple. This beautiful, colorful postcard will catch everybody's eyeball. I guarantee it. You guys are going to come aboard because it's well put together. And we all have $25. You can have a garage sale to get $25. You can use that money and join this postcard business. What is the problem? You can't join anything. You're scared of spending money, but you're not scared to go to the club and turn up at the club. You're not scared to go to a fancy restaurant and spend $200 on a steak dinner or a lobster tail or a bottle of champagne. That's beyond over $25 about this program, this postcard business. You spend more money at the bar and the restaurant than come work from home, and that money you spend is in your belly. You can't get that money back. You can't return the food neither. So, yeah. So this simple work from home business, what I'm promoting, I have 5 group pages out there that is simple and understanding. You can join anything. Everybody had $100. We all had $25. We all have $50. We all have $60. We have to join something to able to promote anything. It's a must. We cannot run from it. This is your job, to spend money. You can spend money on Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, belts, purse, shoes, get your nails done, women, men, buying jewelry. Working from home is the place to be if you want to keep your life safe, if you want to stay alive in this crazy world we in. Yes, in this crazy world we in, you have to understand home-based business is where to be at. Simple postcard business. Get a stack of 50. Again, I'm going to show it again. Put your stamps right here. Put your lead right there. Stack of 50 or stack of 100. Whatever you can afford on the stamp side. And you're good to go. You are good to go. You'll make this, how consistent you are, you will make this at $25 a pop. $25 adds up real quick. Like it says, 1 through 3. 1 through 3. 3-level progressive payout. Simple. Simple actual income earning will vary when one's affected pay good money. People usually give it their best and continue to mail so the income continues to grow. Who don't want to do this? This is the company right here. Y'all can go through this when y'all get this YouTube video on the Facebook page. Yes. So 25K madness, 3-level progressive payout. Simple to join. All you need is what it says there. 4 money orders, 4 $25 money order. Send it in at this company, and you're good to go. And you get your kit in the mail. When you get that, order your real postcard, because your postcard is not in the kit. Request your PDF file until your postcard come in the mail. That's simple. It's not hard. It is not hard at all. Work from home is the place to be. I keep repeating myself. I sound like a broken record right now. If y'all don't want to join nothing, that's not my problem. But I'm showing you simple way, inexpensive program that you can do from home. Stamps cost. Stamps and leads cost. That's where the money is. The postcard is nothing. Yeah, the postcard do cost, but how you can use this postcard business, you need stamps and peel and stick label. Those where the money is. That's what costs to drop this in the mailbox. True story. I'm not making this up. I had to spend money buying leads and a bunch of stamps. Every time. Twice a month or something. I have to buy leads and stamps. That's how serious I am to spend money. I ain't buying no Prada, no Louis Vuitton, no Chanel, no expensive something. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to make a future for myself. I'm trying to make a name for myself. So again, $25 K madness, 3-level progressive. I'll come back with you again with another video. Thank you.